Hey guys, so how you can plug in your the HyperX Cloud Alpha to the PC. So important thing to know is that Cloud Alpha is a plug and play analog headset. It doesn't require any drivers, no software. Therefore, there's no way for a PC to recognize by no model name. So this is how it works, right? So you just have to plug it in. What you want to look, so when I'm going to look here, I'll just show you. You're gonna have the dongle, right? And you're just gonna connect it. When you, if it's not wireless, if it's like with the cable, you're just gonna connect it with the cable to the jack to your PC. So you're gonna have audio jack port PC, and that's what you're gonna do. You're just gonna insert it right there, and then what happens is that from the back of your PC, you're gonna have the aux jack, and then when you're gonna go to sounds, right here you can have recording and playback, and you should just find it and set it as default. So yeah, have a great day.